2026 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!